loving the car still. This car is still just turning me on every day, man. So let's take a deeper look. So after I put the CS spoiler, it just pretty much completed the whole look of the car. I have the OEM M Performance rear diffuser with the CS spoiler. I think it looks amazing. I put the OEM M license plate holder on it, so it has that carbon fiber theme still going on. And as far as the looks goes, I think it's pretty complete. There's not much more I'd want to do. So I had the car ceramic coated, and I had a clear bra put on the car right up to the edge of the grill, right over here. And they did a really tight job. You got all the seams, I think, really tight, and wrapped it in pretty well. This is the Expel. It's the best that I could research, and so the Expel clear bra, it's definitely worth the investment. It's certain little places I could see where it's expelled the rocks off the road, and still held up pretty well. The guys over at Onyx Detail in Sayreville, New Jersey, they did an outstanding job. They were even able to get my lip. They had enough material to get my front lip. They did a custom job, and then I let them put the ceramic on it. And boy, I'll tell you, shout out to them, man. Well, part of the carbon fiber that I put on, you know, the side grills, you know, they look alright. I don't know if it's worth the money, but hey, I did it. Here's something right here, the M Performance sticker that I've got on here. Let's see if you can get that. I ordered it online from one of the BMW stores that are online, and measured it out pretty carefully, and I matched it up to some pictures and extrapolated the information a little bit. Kind of through the pictures, I was able to kind of figure out how many inches off the bottom over here from the floor. So I measured up over here, the tape measure, and I got a pretty good level. And I measured from here, right at the point to the letter E, and I kind of got that information off the photo. And then I lined it up, and I used my eye. And, you know, just, you have to take a chance, because really you have to be very careful when you're putting it on. You have to be pretty precise, because you only get one chance. These stickers cost about 70 bucks for the set, and I'm telling you, it's definitely, you know, not worth it. It's worth whatever it's worth. I'm sure it's better material than whatever garbage you can find online, but man, I think it looks good, and especially when you line it up properly with the, you know, the rear wing here. All right, I see it's a little dirty because last night I went down and took a night drive, but I think that M Performance sticker kind of completes the effect, and it looks really kind of nice. It's an understated nice. I don't like anything too flashy. I don't really want to call too much attention, but it's got a little bit of that style, okay? We'll call it that, style that I like. It's an experience every time I get in. Alright, I think I'm going to go pick up some food. That's what people do. They use it as a daily driver. I really don't. I don't like going into parking lots, so I go to places, if I'm going to go with this car, where it's going to be safer than your typical daily driving. So that's why I don't call it a daily driver. It's not. It's more of a weekend car. So when they go into this daily driving nonsense, I don't know.